Yeah, whenever they were, these two bitty ducks over there, they were coming in all the time.
Y'all kill him. Y'all got me standing up too. Oh, they do.
Hey, right here, come over there.
She do it.
Here,
You done this one.
give me that box of shells sitting behind you. Oh, you're sitting right here. You want me to work the jerky?
You had that spring down here to me. Lazy done better than.
That bucket was a bucket of pizza.
Yeah, we loaded them top about it.
And about now.
Hard to believe.
Oh, right here in front of us.
I know they were a little high, but they were straight over.
Hey, they
so.
were too. Well, I mean, shoot.
Cody, killer. I had a lot of faith in him. Man.
Yeah, I need to get a haircut. My scalp was pulling on my hair every time I tried to look for it.
Yeah,
Just a little bit.
Did you see him? I didn't see him.
I
yeah,
said,
they were high right there, and I thought everybody said he
I thought it was chicken.
yeah.
He Cody did. He had the beat on.
Gonna get a little bit of that.
I crop insurance for albatross and things like that. You get it back, guaranteed. You know, so much an acre. Goes off the yield. I got the bought crop insurance. I got a little 50, 60 acre farm there. I've raised 20 of those for the last 2 years. It's a irrigated, but it, road water, it would kill a lot of bees. And about 35 acres I can plant, but yeah, we cut about 35 bushels an acre off of them each year, but that ain't paying the bill. Breaking even, and that's renting equipment from other people, you know. But that's the most depends on the land. That's me. That's the state conservation farm, figure out how to get it signed up
There's-
with programs. Do that, and definitely, and make a payment on it, that's probably the best they've ever asked for.
I see a lot of ducks flying above that timber.
Yeah.
Oh, down there, there'll be a bunch of ducks flying above that timber down there.
Yeah, there's a lot back there. It's a good tax write-off, George, that's right. I definitely haven't moved the tax write-off the last few years, with Christmas stuff and everything. You don't even own a combine, do you?
Yeah, I got one old. I just got old. 1660 International, you know, all I do
That's not gonna in front of us. Here, I'll go get them.
Finally got the shoot from this end down here, didn't you? Huh? You can't claim that one, I don't think, can you, man? You can claim it. I don't know that you killed it.
Bet. Don't be slow about it.
Cody, where's your phone at? Where's your phone at? Okay.
I always walk out there and I'll take that phone in that back there pocket, it'll flip out.
Try to remember to put in that zip-up pocket. It was a heck of a shot. I knew they were long, but oh, got it done.
It's well not there when they come in like this. Slow. Good friend.
That's an H400. Eject shells, you know, it's a stack of pearls, not that type of live on the top of the head. No, they don't remember nothing.
Can't get out and get the joy.
Just stay there, Cody. Just stay there. Quit pushing him, Cody.
I'll tell you what, I've been so thirsty in that mud right now, if I've done that.
Wait till you get your head up, Cam. Okay. Lesson number one, don't leave the blind without a gun.
That's right. That was down there mowing that brown there.
Yeah. Down further away from us, and they are pretty good ways. we can try something.
I don't know why I want to go behind the line for that.
I like they want to go in front of that group of decoys. I don't know if we need to move them all over there. That way when they go in front of them, they'll be right behind the blind. Pretty good stretch right there. There you go. We got I thought you was going to come.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Soggy food.
They're big, deep enough, that one. No way.